In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share posts from your LinkedIn profile to any group you are a member of. Whether you're looking to share an insightful article, a personal update, or professional news, sharing content with the right group can significantly enhance its impact. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's head over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com if you haven't already bookmarked it. Once there, you'll need to sign in. You can choose to log in using either Google or Microsoft accounts, or if you prefer, simply use your email address and password. If you're using two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. This extra step might take a moment, but it's a great way to ensure your account stays secure. Now that you're logged in, the fun part begins. Start by writing your post. This can be done in the share box located on your LinkedIn homepage. If you're creating something from scratch, feel free to draft a new post right there. For those who might be sharing existing content like articles or links, LinkedIn's platform supports that too. Make sure your post is engaging and relevant to the audience you're targeting within the group. Once your post is ready, it's time to decide who gets to see it. Right next to the Anyone button, or whatever your current default audience setting might be, there's a pull down arrow. Clicking this allows you to change your audience. In this instance, from the menu that appears, you'll want to choose group members. This option ensures that your post reaches only the groups you're a part of, which is perfect for targeted sharing. After selecting group members, a list will appear showing all the groups you are a member of. Browse through this selection and pick the group you'd like to share your post with. When choosing a group, think about the audience you want to reach and how your content will resonate with them. The more tailored your message, the more interaction it is likely to generate. The final step is to click Post, or the equivalent button on your screen. This action publishes your content directly to the group you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your LinkedIn post with a specific group. Not only does this enhance your post's visibility, but it also helps you engage with a more focused audience. As you continue to share, remember the importance of relevant content and timing to keep your audience intrigued. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.